Firefighters are struggling to contain wildfires in northeastern Japan as the flames continue to spread on Friday and move closer to the center of a town. The fires broke out on Wednesday afternoon in a mountainous area of Iwate Prefecture, forcing more than 2,500 residents to evacuate. A second blaze ignited just 2 hours later, about 10 kilometers away near the town of Otsuchi, which has a population of around 11,000 people.
地震が来て津波が来て上に上がるって言ったら山でしょ、山も火事でしょ、どこに行けばいいのかなって言ってだったんです。大きい地震があったからね、この間もね、本当にそれもまだ危ないと思って逃げたりしたんだけど、いやー寝られないね。心配だもんね、やっぱりね。
Firefighters have been battling the flames from both the ground and the air, but the situation remains uncontained. As of Friday morning, more than 1,100 hectares have been scorched. So far, no casualties have been reported. However, at least 8 buildings, including a home, have been destroyed.